Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna see how much I can record of this because my battery is low, which is so annoying. But never mind. So honestly, like, it's been a while since my last video and I just really want to push my YouTube channel and try and get it out there. So I'm like, do you know what, let's just do it. Let's just be consistent. I'm gonna try and be consistent and see what happens. You never know. Fingers crossed. So I thought we could do a video today about my Supernote. So I am so incredibly grateful because I reached out to Supernote and they actually gifted me one of their amazing tablets, which I just can't believe that they actually like gifted me one. Like, I'm so, like, stuff like that to me is like the best thing ever. So I actually wanted to buy one anyway, and then I thought, let me reach out and see if my art style resonates with them and if they maybe want to do like a collab or something like that. And they did, and I'm so happy. So I thought it would be fun to do like a little review just to let you guys know what it's like if you're thinking about getting one. And we will talk about all the pros and cons, things that I absolutely adore about it, things I'm not as sure about. But if I'm being completely honest, there isn't really anything about the Supernote that I don't like, because I think it does exactly what it's intended to do. And I have owned so many tablets over the years. So before we get started with that, grab a drink, let's get cozy. This is gonna be like a real chatty video, so I hope that you guys don't find it boring. Like, I'm praying, please don't find it boring. But yeah, like, just as well, I thought it would be nice to have a catch up. Like, oh my goodness, guys, I swear every time I make a video, there's something wrong with me, or I'm like in this weird mood, and I'm just like, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Like, I feel like, I don't know if all artists are like that, but I know that I am. Like, at least a few times a month, I'm just like, oh, everything feels so stressful, I don't know what to do, help me, like, I'm trying not to be negative, I really am. But basically, I recently left my job, which, again, I'm wondering if that was an impulsive choice. I don't know, help me. As some of you know, I've always been full-time art, but then someone did hack my Instagram and my Facebook, so I got a job because I was like worried. And then recently I've just really been struggling to like balance everything, like working and then also my orders, commissions, and then going to an actual job. And then some of you know I've been doing the extras and acting things, which I absolutely love as well, but all of the things are so time consuming, and I have a family, and it's just, I was getting really stressed. So I just kind of left, but to be honest, it wasn't even the fault of there, because I literally miss it like a lot, but it was just more, just everything all at once combined was just a bit much, and I just felt like I needed to step back from something and just kind of like gather my thoughts and kind of decide what I want to do, you know, like sometimes you just have to gather your thoughts. So yeah, basically that's where I'm at now. So I have got quite a few overdue orders that I really need to sort out, and I had like the worst month this month because I did unfortunately have a customer do a chargeback before I got a chance to send out the piece, but it literally just set me back for the whole month, and I just, yeah, I'm still feeling the effects of that. So I feel a bit like sad, but you know, I feel like that's just life, and running your own business isn't easy, so I just need to get over it. I need to just get over it. So I have been making a few things. We will get into the review soon, by the way. If you want to skip, I'll make sure to put a timestamp when I actually start talking about it. But I have to show you guys this because I finished this yesterday and I'm in love. I love her so much. And literally, I thought this would sell straight away, and she's still available. So guys, if you want a cute heart, you know where to find her. Okay. So let's get started on this review talking about the Supernote. So let me grab it. So I'm actually gonna insert a video of me unboxing this because I feel like you need to see the full experience. The packaging was Like, it literally felt like Christmas came early, and I was just like, yeah! It's the best. Like, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous, and I just loved it. And obviously I do realise that things like this are an investment, so for people that want to buy one, you want to know if, I feel like it's really dark in here. One second. Let me see if that is any, that's too bright. I know that it is an investment, so I feel like if you want to get one, you want to make sure you're getting a proper honest review about if it's good or not and if it's worth the money. So first of all, I just want to start this by saying this tablet is completely different from like an iPad or something like that, because I do also own an iPad and I absolutely adore my iPad, but I do get distracted on my iPad. And the thing that I love about the Supernote is that it is literally just a drawing piece of kit. Like, you're just drawing on there, you're not like, there's no apps, or although there are a couple of extra things that you can add, but I think they're more for like journaling and drawing. So there's nothing on here that can distract you. Like, it is literally, if you're setting out to draw, that's what you're gonna do. And then the thing that I absolutely love is you get these pens, okay? Like, they actually sent me a pen and they let me choose the pen. And the most amazing thing about the pen is it is literally like a real pen. Like, you can see the nib is like an actual pen nib, to the point where it feels like you should be able to use this on paper, but obviously you can't. So, and the thing that I absolutely adore about the pen is that you don't have to charge it, so it always works. And one of the things that I do get frustrated about with my iPad is the fact that I always forget to charge my Apple Pen, and I'm just like, ah! So there's that. Why? Guys, I think I need to fix the settings, because why is it so dark? Anyway, do you know what? I'm not gonna worry about it. We're gonna deal with that in post. Wait. No, it is super dark though. Let's see if I can fix it. Okay guys, oh my god, that is so much better. But now is it too bright? I have no idea. But anyway, let's get back to this. So, is it like focusing? I don't even know what I've done to the settings of this camera. Anyway, one of the things that I absolutely love is the fact that this is a pen that you don't have to charge. Like, I think that is just so good. Like, I love that. I love that for me. Because I am very unorganized and charging things is not my strong point. So that's another cool feature, is that you don't have to charge the pen, and I just think that that makes such a difference. Now you only have to worry about charging the actual tablet. Now, I have to tell you guys, like, I don't know what I was expecting with regards to the actual drawing portion of this tablet, but it is just chef's kiss, literally. Like, it's the first tablet that I've used where I actually feel like I'm drawing on paper, because there's no delay with the pen on the actual tablet. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you've used a lot of drawing tablets, you'll know that it almost feels like you're drawing digitally. And the thing that I love about this is it feels quite similar to drawing on paper. So this is a piece that I did. I don't know if you guys can see very well. Okay, I think that's a little bit better actually. I should have done it this way to start with, never mind. So this is one I did on here. I don't know if it's focusing. It's not this. I don't think it's focusing, but I'm just gonna insert a picture of it. Are you focusing? Are you not focusing? What are you doing? Guys, I'm so sorry if this whole video is blurry, but anyway, so this is a piece that I did on here, and basically I just love that it feels like when you're actually drawing on the tablet, it does feel like you're drawing it directly onto paper. And one of the really cool things about this tablet is when I first got it, I didn't even download the actual, like, there is like an actual I don't want to say app, but there is like an actual drawing software that you can download for this tablet. So I was just drawing in the like journaling section, and I didn't realize that there was like a whole other bit where you can actually like shade and do the most amazing things, and it's just the best ever. So what are some things that I love about the tablet? So I just love that it feels like you're drawing. Why is my voice? Today is just not a good day. So I love that it feels like you're drawing on actual paper for one. Like it does simulate that very well, like drawing in a sketchbook, which I think is really cool. I also just love just the feel of it. Like it's quite a lightweight thing, and it feels really good quality. Like it does feel like an expensive item, but it doesn't feel like really breakable, if that makes sense. Like it doesn't feel too fragile either, which I really like. I'm just trying to figure out. Okay, which I really like. And then the only thing that I'm not sure about, and then I don't know if this is just that I can't find it, and to be honest, it's not the end of the world if it's not a thing, but there is no like playback feature, so you can't actually like play back the drawing, or maybe you can, I just haven't found it yet. And I know a lot of people really enjoy that kind of feature, being able to play back what you've made and done. And then I'm trying to think what else. To be honest, there's nothing that I really don't like about it. The only thing I will say is there's also no mirroring feature, and I know that is something that people really enjoy on Procreate, being able to actually mirror the drawing. But to be honest, I feel like that maybe shouldn't be on a drawing tablet anyway, because it is simulating paper, and the reality of it is if you were drawing in your sketchbook you wouldn't have a mirror feature. So I feel like in terms of like actually simulating a sketchbook and doing what it's supposed to do, like being a piece of kit that you can use for journaling or sketching, I think it literally does exactly what it's supposed to do, and there's not really anything that I would do to improve it. The only thing that I will say is it is a bit of a pain getting the art off of here to whatever you want to do, like if you want to print it. So you do have to set up like your email. It's not the end of the world, and you can still email yourself high-res versions of the file, which I really like. So I think it's, honestly, I think it's amazing, and I think that even if I wasn't sent one, I 100% would have invested in something like this, because it's just really fun to use, and I think it's great as well for when you're on the go, if you're like on a train or you're just out and about. The only thing is, again, is you wouldn't be able to do sketching at night because I don't think it has a backlight. I know for some people that would be a problem, but I think if you're not bothered by that, it's not really a big deal, so you can always just turn the light on. So I think I'm going to show you guys some of the sketching, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. I'm going to insert some clips for you guys to have a look at, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!